Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. I am Associate Professor Dr. Zulham Abdullah from Universiti Putra Malaysia UPM. It is a great honor and privilege to represent and speak on behalf of the UPM and Malaysia. I'm so excited to present our major contribution to the UI GreenMetric World University Ranking, Universiti Putra Malaysia. Firstly, I would like to introduce a brief profile of the UPM, our green campus, our green sustainability strategies, and also the achievements. And then I will highlight about the National Network Initiative. And after that, the Selected Facilities Initiative and activities. And also the challenges arising post COVID-19 pandemic. And finally, I will stress a way forward and the future plan for sustainability developments. Let's start. As you can see here, UPM is an agricultural university. It is one of the top public research university in Malaysia. We have 140 plus academic programs, a 3,000 hectares main campus, and also a branch in Bintulu, Sarawak. We have a 1,800 plus academic staff and 100 plus student organizations. Currently, we have a 28,000 students from the 80 countries. 46% of them is a postgraduate students and 17% international students. We have 16 faculties, 11 institutes, 2 schools, and 1 academy. We also have 120 plus national athletes. Regarding our Greek campus, we have more than 3,000 hectares. 31.9% is only a building area. 46.1% is a forest area. 22% are planted vegetation. That's why we are proudly to say that we are the one international agriculture university in Malaysia. Regarding UPM commitments in the Sustainable Development Goal, we have a fully commitments, to support these Sustainable Development Goals through our UPM strategic plan, 2021 until 2025. We have developed a 5 goal to achieve the Sustainable Development Goal here. We also focus on the holistic empowerment, patriotism, and also the advancements. We can see here the listed Malaysian institution in the UI GreenMetric ranking. We have 20 higher education learnings participated in this ranking. We also have a full commitment. We also support our government sustainability agenda. You can see that the 5 strategic trusts for the development of the conducive ecosystem for the green technologies growth. You can see these are 2 visions, our future plan, shared prosperity vision 2030, and also we have the Green Technology Master Plan Malaysia 2017 until 2030. So these, I think, the references is very, very important for us. So we have to think that the right plan, and I think that we also, that we're going to focus consistently towards our sustainability developments. And then we talk about the sustainability strategies. The first one, to rebrand all green activities on campus and branch campus, including making improvement to the new norms. Second, maintain the existing of the policy and mapping the policy with the SDG and UI GreenMetric indicators. And the third, collaboration with the national higher education institution on the sustainable initiative. And also the fourth, disseminate information on the sustainable activities through the website and other media. Finally, we try to coordinate green and sustainability activities and visibility strategies. Strategically. We move on to the National Network Initiative. We have the two established network here. One is a MySun, Malaysia Sustainable University Campus Network. The second one is a Southeast Asia Sustainability Network, SEASN. So we have three objectives for this network. The first one is shaping the global higher education and research in sustainability. Second, creating the global sustainability leaders. And the third, partnering on solutions to the sustainability challenges. Can see that MySun is an enormous capacity building in higher education project, aiming to promote the Malaysia nation university campuses as a living laboratories for the sustainability energy efficiency. And the second one, Southeast Asia Sustainability Network, we have 19 higher education institutions participated and committed, promote, engage, integrate sustainability in their teaching, research, community engagement, institutional arrangement. And we will now move on to the selected facilities and initiative and activities of the UPMs. Okay, we start, I think that we are so, I think that excited with the green and sustainability developments. We have established 8 research and teaching entities. So this is show that we are so serious, yeah, to improve, to enhance our sustainability developments in UPM and also for the nation. And we also have the Edu Parks Program. It is an innovative initiative by university to bring the community to innovation in agriculture, science, technology, and life in exciting way, and life in interesting and a public-friendly way. In early this year, we installed the rooftop solar system all over the campus. Yeah, so this, I think, that initiative that saving 114 million ringgit in electricity bill, and also, of course, that we're going to save our environment. Proudly, we also have received a Malaysia Book of Record recognition through our UPM agrivoltaics projects. So this also is a Hubbles projects that we save that. Also, I think that improve the sustainability developments. And then, not to forget, our city or the towns, we have developed the Serdang biomass towns to show that our full commitments with the collaboration with the local councils. We are trying to provide the biorefinery complex. So that this, I think, that is a campaign that to improve our city and to make our city more green. I think that's nearby Seri Sedang. Yeah, our environmental biotechnology research group also. Yeah, we also, I think, that provides more research areas for the biodiesels from the used cooking oil, biochar production, and of course that the biocompost. So this, I think, that will encourage more green, I think, greening, I think, that in the campus. Yeah. And also, we also have the Sultan Idris Forestry Education Center, CISFAC. This is ongoing activities in the project. located at the Air Hitam Reserve Forest, Puchong. So I think that's we run this almost 20 years, yeah, and with more than 1,000 hectares, and a lot of research been done here, and we have more than 4,000 visitors a year for the edutourism purposes. And proudly say that we have established a Faculty Agriculture UPM farm. We proudly, I think that this, I think, for the research, for the students' developments, and of course that for the green and sustainability developments for the UPM, and I think that's the entities as well. Okay, then I think that we also have the established UPM Center of Excellence for the Environmental Forensics. Our mission, which is to be the reference center, which is related to the source identification of the environmental pollutions. I think that we are so serious about the pollutions. And this also talking about the environmental pollution to reduce, I think that the food carbon print. And we also have, I think, the project like cycling and bicycle lane. The first year students are not allowed to have a transport in campus. So they have to ride these bicycles from residential college to the campus, to the faculties, yeah, for the lecture and also other student activities. We also have the waste bank. So this, I think, the collection point for the recyclable and reusable goods, right? And of course that we have the sustainable conferences and webinar. This will encourage and also the increase our knowledge about the sustainability developments and also the green, I think that for the green systems. Also, I think that encourages students and researchers to do more. I think that research on the green and sustainable development. And I think that to show that our support with the slogans, invest in our planets, the Earth Day celebration 2022 with InterVarsity. Yeah. So this, I think that we do lots of the activities, such as the tree plantings, we do the cleaning, and also other, I think that's green activities. And also not to forget, we always do the campaign, for example, the reuse, reduce, and recycle for the UPM student and also the UPM staff. So we want to protect the environments. And also the campaign like save energy and water. So this is also very, very important for our environments. And other, I think that's a program that we have, the conservation of the plastic and paper. The cafeteria in campus are required to use the recyclable paper food and packaging. Plastic container, no polysterenes are charged for the additional fee of the 30 cents for each container to reduce its usage. We also encourage more, I think that the students and the staff to bring their lunch container. Yeah? So, and the use of the email, for example, and WhatsApp group, also I think that to disseminate informations. Okay, WhatsApp for the informal, email maybe for the formal. Yeah? University Management Committee are supplied with the iPad so that we can reduce the dependency on hard copy. So go for the paperless. Upload, I think the soft copy references materials. So I think that is a policies in the website. So everything I think that we upload that. Yeah? We provide the documents not on hard copy anymore, more on the soft copy in the website, available in websites. Okay, move on to the challenges. Okay, we understand that in the post-COVID recovery, we have the visible and hidden cost of the going green. So of course that these, I think that number one, environmental, economics and social issues regarding the green recovery. For example, the infrastructure damage, for example, maintenance costs, I think that's, also I think that the increase as well. Yeah. So, and number two, limitation of resources and technologies to adapt the new norms. Yeah. So we need to adapt new technologies, investing in the video platform like Zoom, WebEx. Yeah. So I think that is quite important. And I think that we still, I think that encourage the online community because we have the MOOC programs. And the last but not least, I think that in terms of the budget constraint to conduct the green programs and project. So because after the recovery, I think that the economics, I think that's not affected us. So this, I think that's, a big challenge for us. Yeah. And I think that finally I will present on the way forward in the future plan. We have strengthened the partnership and collaboration with the National Committee of the UI, GreenMetric. And then I think that with the governments, entities, and also the industries and the national, also international levels. And through our the project management, we focus on benchmarking, coordinating, reporting of the sustainability developments, yeah, results, and also the impacts also need to be measured, also be highlighted. And I think that more importantly, we also need to focus on the holistic approach to adopting a green development culture, so that we can create more symbiotics, yeah, relation between the cities, yeah, and also the university. We don't want to be the islands. We want, I think, that to become, I think, that the a big, I think, that's the major contribution to the micro and also the macro environmental. I think that's so this, I think, that's quite important. Not, I think, that being, I think, that in university that only that we have to also contribute to the community, and also that to the cities, and also to the governments entities, of course. With that, I will say that thank you so much for listening, and happy Sustainability Day. Thank you so much.